Hello friends, myself Mukesh Patel from Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science for Diploma Studies. Welcome to my YouTube channel Explore Technology. Today we'll discuss the topic application of stack. So there are several applications of stack like reversing a string, parenthesis checker, conversion from infix to postfix, and conversion of infix to prefix expression, as well as the evaluation of postfix as well as prefix expression, then the concept of recursion, etc. First we will see infix, prefix and postfix form of expression. Before that, what is Polish notation? The process of writing the operator of an expression either before the operand or after the operand are called Polish notation. The Polish notations are classified into three types, that is infixed, prefix and postfix. If the operator present in between the operand, it is called infix. Here A and B are operand and plus is operator. So it is an infix expression. Then if the operator comes before the operand, it is called prefix operation or notation. And whenever the operator comes after the operand, it is called the postfix expression or reverse Polish notation, that is AB plus. Then we'll see one example how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. So here it is an infix expression. First we have to convert into postfix. As we know that the highest precedence is the bracket, then the exponent, then multiplication and division, and the lowest precedence is addition and subtraction. So here in the first part, A plus B is converted into postfix expression, that is AB plus, then minus C, that is the another operand. So here there are two operand, AB plus and minus C. So we can write AB plus and C, then minus will come, operator will come at the end because it is a postfix notation. Then we'll see the another example, A minus B divide by in the bracket C multiply by D exponent E. First we'll convert which is in the bracket, that is C star or multiplication D exponent E. So here exponent will evaluated first as per the rules. So DE and exponent, then CDE exponent and the multiplication, and after that B divide by this operand, so BCDE exponent multiplication, and last one is the division, and there is another operator that is at the lowest precedent, that is the minus. So AB CDE, then the exponent, multiplication and division, and at the last this subtraction operator. Then we'll see how to evaluate a postfix expression. Suppose we have an infix expression, that is 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 given in the bracket. First we have to convert into postfix expression. So here whenever we are converting, so 4 plus 5 will be converted first, so 4 5 plus, then 3 4 5 plus and multiplication. So whenever we are calculating the value of this expression, it calculated by making use of the stack. So here it is the first character in the input string, that is 3, so it is an operand, so it is pushed on the top of the stack. Then the second operand, that is or character, it is 4, it is also an operand, so it is also pushed to the top of the stack. Then 5, it is also an operand, it is also pushed on the top of the stack. Then the next character is the operator, that is plus, so topmost two element will perform the operation, so that is 5 and 4. So addition of 5 and 4, that is equal to 9. Then the next character or operand, next character is the multiplication. So topmost two element will perform the operation, that is 9 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 27. So the result is 27. Then we'll see another application, that is recursion. So in recursion, that means whenever a function that calls itself is called recursion. That means, for an example, factorial of n is equal to 1 if the value of n is equal to 0, and whenever it is greater than 0, it is n multiplied by factorial of n minus 1. For an example, factorial of 2, that is equal to, it is not equal to 0, so it comes like 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1 factorial. So 2 minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 factorial. Then 1 factorial again calculated, 2 multiplied by 1 factorial is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 factorial, that is equal to 0 factorial. So here we need some lower value, that is it is 0 factorial. So we already having the value when n is equal to 0, it puts the value 1. So here the value is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 2. So factorial of 2 is equal to 2. So this performs by making use of the stack. So it is also an application of stack. So thank you friends for watching this video.